Are independent and dependent variables in math the same as the variables in science? For example, in the following scenario, Deanna babysits for several hours after school. How much money does she earn? How do you identify which variable is independent and which variable is dependent? In this lesson, you will learn how to identify independent and dependent variables by examining real-world scenarios. Let's review. A variable is a number or quantity that represents different values in different situations. Examples of variables are symbols like stars or letters like Y. Let's look at the two different types of variables, an independent variable and a dependent variable. An independent variable will change by taking on different values. It's generally referred to as the x value. A dependent variable is affected by the independent variable and changes only in response to the independent variable. It is generally referred to as the y value. Both variables can change in value and can be represented by any letter like S, C, or H. Let's look at a real-world scenario so we can identify the variables. In order to earn some spending money, Deanna babysits for several hours after school. How much money does she earn? If we look at this scenario, we see that Deanna babysits for a certain number of hours, and we want to know the amount of money she earns. Therefore, the two variables in this scenario are the number of hours Deanna works and the amount of money Deanna earns. We can represent each variable with a letter or symbol. H can be the number of hours she works, and M can be the amount of money she earns. Let's take another look at the two variables. How do we know which variable is independent and which variable is dependent? In this scenario, which must happen for the other to occur? This will tell us which is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable. Deanna must first babysit a certain number of hours in order to know how many hours she will be paid for. So if she's paid $5 per hour, when Deanna works 1 hour, she will earn $5. If Deanna works 2 hours, she will earn another $5. This means that the amount of money Deanna is paid depends on the number of hours she worked, or the more hours she works, the more money she earns. So the amount of hours is independent, and the amount of money earned is dependent. It's a common misunderstanding to think that the change in the dependent variable affects the change in the independent variable. If we think about the previous example of Deanna earning money for each hour she works, we can understand this relationship better. Is it true that the amount of money Deanna earns can influence the amount of hours she works? If this is correct, this means she earns money before she works. It's not possible to know how much to pay her if we don't know how many hours she worked. In order to pay her correctly, she needs to work the hours first and can then be paid for each hour. Therefore, the amount of hours she works is the independent variable, and the amount of money she is paid is the dependent variable. Remember, x is the independent variable. This is the variable that is changing. Y is the dependent variable. This is the variable affected by the change. In this lesson, you have learned how to identify independent and dependent variables by examining real-world scenarios.